Okay, here's a startup test of the propane furnace, RV propane furnace. I've got it hooked into my propane tank. Propane tank is on. It's hooked on here. Button is on. You got to hook the red and the white together to act as a thermostat. We have our ground. Again, propane is on. Temperature inside is 25 Celsius. We're going to put this little guy right in here to act as to tell us what it heats up to. Hopefully it doesn't melt. And there it goes. It just lit. It'll start getting warm here. I can feel the heat already. So 3 wires coming out, like I said, red and white acting as a thermostat, black to negative, and red and white to positive. Inside temperature is 24, and we're waiting for the top number to climb. So we're at 21. Getting very warm now. There's a delay on the thermostat, or in this little guy, the reader. There we go. So it just jumped up to 25. Indoor temperature is 24, jumped up to 25. Again, it's heating very well. And I got my propane line with the regulator on it, going to the propane tank, full propane tank. Got to make sure there's no air in the line in the propane, and make sure you got a fully charged 12-volt battery, deep cycle, to fire this guy up. If you have a low battery, it won't fire up. I tried with this little battery down here, and it just didn't have enough amperage to make it spark and kick on. There we go. 29 degrees on the furnace, and we got 24 inside temperature. So inside temperature is 24 Celsius, and the heater is producing 29 Celsius and climbing. So there you go. You can tell that she's in good working order. Fans running smoothly. Everything ignited. Just give it another second here. Show it climb again, then I'll disconnect it and be boxing it up. And now it's at 33 Celsius for the heater. Getting very warm now. And 24 Celsius inside the garage here. So let's disconnect it. And there we are. Still producing heat.